question 17. Question 17 is actually testing you on chemical bonding and, to be more specific, the concept of metallic bonding. Okay, so question 17 states that the melting point of lithium, it is 181 degrees Celsius, while the melting point of sodium is 98 degrees Celsius. Which statement explains why lithium has a higher melting point than sodium? Whenever you see a question that is asking about melting point, boiling point, what you are going to compare, right, will be the attractive forces in the substance. Okay, sorry. So we are comparing two different metals. So metals, what do they have? In terms of bonding, they have this thing called metallic bonding. And metallic bonding, it is defined as the electrostatic forces of attraction. Electrostatic forces of attraction between cations and sea of delocalized electrons. Okay, so let's take a look at the options to determine whether they explain why lithium has a higher melting point than sodium or not. Okay, so for the first option, lithium has lesser number of electrons than sodium. It does not explain why. This type of explanation, the amount of electrons, it is more suited or more suitable for the explanation when we are comparing two simple covalent molecules. Okay, this is not the reasoning for to explain the difference in the melting points between metals. Between metals, I must see electrostatic forces of attraction between cations and sea of delocalized electrons. Okay, in your answer. So B, electrostatic forces of attraction. Okay, the first part is present, electrostatic forces of attraction, the type of forces is present. However, it is between the oppositely charged ions in lithium. There are no oppositely charged ions in lithium. There is only Li plus. Okay, where is the other negatively charged ion? There's no such thing. So the term that they are using here is incorrect. Hence, B is also false. Okay. C, electrostatic forces of attraction. Okay, at least we have the first part covered. Between the positive ions and sea of delocalized electrons, it is stronger in lithium than in sodium. All right, stronger in lithium. Stronger EFA, stronger electrostatic forces of attraction means that more energy is required. More energy required to overcome the forces. That is why lithium has higher melting point than sodium. Hence, the answer is C. Now, let's take a look at D. Why is D out? Sodium is more reactive than lithium. Okay, reactivity does not explain the difference in melting point. Hence, D is also incorrect. It is not the best answer. Therefore, C is the answer for this question.